Imagine this, a small idea, a single click, and you're on your way to building an empire. That's how Amazon started, and today, we're about to show you how you can start an online business that could one day rival the giants. First, let's get this straight, Amazon didn't start as Amazon. It was just a dream, a vision of selling books online. Jeff Bezos didn't wait for the perfect moment, he created it. So, what's your big idea? Step 1, find your goldmine. Just like Bezos focused on books at first, you need to find your niche. It could be anything, gadgets, beauty products, unique handmade goods, or even a solution to a common problem. Find something people can't live without, or better yet, something they didn't know they needed yet. Step 2, build your digital kingdom. Now, let's set the stage for your business to shine. You don't need a giant warehouse or a team of 100 just yet. Start with platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or even eBay and Amazon itself. Your website needs to be sleek, simple, and super easy to shop from. Remember, Amazon's success didn't just happen because of products, it happened because of the shopping experience. Step 3, product sourcing, the secret sauce. Here's where things get interesting. Whether you're creating your own products, partnering with suppliers, or dropshipping, you've got to keep your eye on the prize, quality. Think about this, Amazon built trust by offering millions of products, but they also made sure each one was top-notch. You do the same. Step 4, fulfillment magic, fast and efficient. You know what makes Amazon Amazon? Their lightning-fast delivery and vast network of fulfillment centers. But here's the thing, you don't need all that right now. Start with dropshipping or partner with a fulfillment service. The goal is simple, get your product into your customers' hands fast. Step 5, customer service, the game changer. You think Amazon became a giant just by selling stuff? Nope. They built a reputation on customer obsession. Offer insane customer support, quick responses, and hassle-free returns. Every customer is a fan waiting to be made, treat them right. Step 6, marketing, go big or go home. You can have the best product in the world, but if no one knows about it, you're stuck. Get creative. Use social media to show your brand's personality, run ads that speak directly to your customers, and optimize your site for search engines. Think like a brand, not just a seller. That's how Amazon grew to become a household name. Step 7, scaling, the big leap. Once you've got your products flying off the shelves, it's time to scale. More products, more customers, and more marketing. Invest your profits, hire help, and automate wherever you can. This is the secret Amazon used to dominate the market. They never stopped growing. Now, let's be real, Amazon didn't happen in a day. But you don't need to start with $1 billion budget to get going. You just need a clear vision, persistence, and the courage to take that first step. So what are you waiting for? Your future business empire is just one click away. Get started now, and let the world know what you're made of. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, and turn on those notifications. We've got so many more tips coming your way. And remember, Amazon wasn't built in a day, but it was built one click at a time. See you in the next video. Let's build your empire together.